Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen and Nikki, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into this channel, and if you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join this family. Also turn your notification bell so that we notify anytime I drop a new video. Guys, I'm super excited today. In this particular video is not tutorial actually, but we are unboxing something big together. Yes guys, I got new dryer, wall mounting dryer, so we are going to unbox it together. Been trying to get this for a very long time. I just got it, so we are unboxing it together. So guys, this is the dryer, as you can see. So we are first of all unboxing the dryer before any other one. So this is the dryer that we are going to unbox together. Just pay attention, watch carefully. If you are just seeing this video, please congratulate me. It's not easy, like it's not easy. I've been trying to get this particular dryer. Oh mom, once I save money, I'll still chop the money, but this time around I'm like, no, Queen Aniki, you got to get this particular dryer. I'm so glad I'm able to achieve it. Glory be to God. So this is the dryer. This is mango. Is posh, actually is posh, and this particular product is very nice. So this is the wall, this is the hanger, like that we're going to hang it to the dryer. So let's unbox it together and see what is inside. This is also posh, as you can see. So the dryer is mango posh, and if you are a stylist like me, you know that this particular dryer is a correct one. So this is the hanger, as you can see guys. This is very beautiful. So this is the barbell. The barbell is the first thing to mount on the wall before you begin the processing. So after that, we have the nuts, the screw, the nuts inside the pack as well. And this is the dryer. Thank you so much guys. I'll carry you along when I'm about to mount it on the wall. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.